Here we have a problem on logarithm. Okay, let's read the question. If log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y, solve for y. That is, we have to find the value of y. So it is given log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y. So we have to solve for y in this one. Okay, here we have three logarithms. For all the three logarithms, the base is not given. Okay, if the base is not given, we have to understand there is common logarithmic base 10. So we can take the common logarithmic base 10 for all the three logarithms. So now what we need to do is we have to add these two logarithms. That is, we have to simplify. We can use the first fundamental law of logarithm. That is, if two logarithms are added with the same base, what we can do is we can take logarithm once with the same base, and we have to multiply the two arguments. That is, x times y equals to log x plus y to the base 10. Okay, here two logarithms are equal with the same base. If two logarithms are equal with the same base, what we can do is we can equate the arguments. We get xy is equal to x plus y. We are trying to solve for y, so we can get all the y terms on one side of the equation and other terms other side of the equation. So I am moving this plus y to the left side of the equation. Then I get xy minus y is equal to x. Now y can be factored out from these two terms. If y is factored out, we get y times x minus 1 is equal to x. So y and x minus 1 are multiplied. So we need y. So what I need to do is I have to move this x minus 1 to the right side of the equation. So if x minus 1 is moved to the right side of the equation, it will become division. Then we get y is equal to x divided by x minus 1.